the trash can is healthy.
What are you guys doing today?
We're making Playdoh. I'm making a snowman. And I'm making a horsey.
The girls got a new table and chair set yesterday. Do you like your new table and chairs?
She's going so pretty when I'm done. I'll put a nice pretty bow. What is this? Do you know what this is?
It's a butterfly.
I like my horsey, Mommy.
Oh, that's beautiful. Let me take a picture. What a great horse, Isabel.
That's a fruit.
Wonderful.
Of course, I forgot its tail.
I love it. I love its tail.
That's called it looks like the
Oh.
boy.
How are you doing, Helen? What have you got there?
Snowman. I don't know how to make a snowman. Oh, I got a smile.
He's cute. I like the new changes to your horsey, Isabel.
There's blue and pink. Blue and pink. Now orange and some orange. Now look at that. Orange, some of your orange.
Helen's busy writing her name right now.
Okay. I borrow some of it. Can I? That's so pretty.
Good job, Helen.
Now I have to let Anna say.
Oh, I already did that for you, honey. I wrote it right there. Great job.